Hey guys, it's Rhys and welcome back to another video. Yeah, a very mysterious video. Well, if you noticed in the last episode, I went over there to get a coat hanger. Well, I need it for clothes, if you're wondering. And since I came back on YouTube, I felt I'm not getting comments anymore. I checked all my videos and there were no comments, it was just me commenting stuff. So I don't get what's happening right now. We'll be right back after a little break. So, since I came back, it was fun, and we've literally had fun with everything, and, well, I felt like I could make another video today, even though literally no layout buildings are closed down right now. Well, I'm gonna do some schoolwork after I've done this, but, yeah, I've got maths to do, then I've got English, and I'll just do lessons. You know. And, yeah, I'm going to show you a very sexy lady. Well, I really hate my phone very much because it's not letting me make a video because it keeps halving down. And there's birds up there. So I'm trying my very hard to keep this video going to 15 minutes. Well, lady, you are just here and Kate's in there. Hey, Kate! And there's Mason, Henry, should I say. He'll be back next episode because he has schoolwork to do. Well, it's only a little bit, and I asked him yesterday if he could do it by the time he finished his schoolwork, and he didn't do it. I just heard a loud banging noise, and I'm not sure what it is. There's kids as well. But, wait a minute. It was Monday yesterday, and I went in there. With the schools open, those people over there could have met me. Well, so, hey again. My phone keeps doing it, and I'm not doing anything at all. So, yeah. You know what people do? They do this. Wait a minute. What's that? Can you see that block there? What is it? Let me get a phone. Oh, let me just zoom out a little bit and... Wow. What is this? I just found it on there and it wasn't there last video. Did you know that? And only listen, and Lydia's been out here just playing. Well, after this video, I decided to clean this place up. Look at that, it's all gonna be clean, and yeah, I decided to clean the whole set. But this thing is awesome. So I'm gonna show you something very cool. I mean, I'll show you something. Whatever. Here he is, the fat guy. Look at him. He's overweighted, should I say, and he's got t-shirts to pick. I'm gonna show you like some more. So there's that. It's like Garrow Woman. And there's that one with a hat on. So that is all that I'm gonna show you. Now I'm gonna show you some TikToks. Well, I thought. Let's
carefully edit this photo. There's something wrong with it. Now you haven't spotted it yet. It's probably because you haven't seen it before. So I'm gonna give you a hint. Turn your phone upside down. Look carefully at this photo. There's something wrong with it. Now you haven't spotted it yet. It's probably because you haven't seen it before. I'm secretly a girl? No way. What? Sean, do I look like a girl? Yes, you do. I'll get verified? Come on, this is easy. What? The person watching this will follow me. Let's go! Hit that follow button!
yeah. Well, there's that, and I'm gonna show you that song. Hope this video doesn't get too long for you people. So, muffin song. Okay, that's annoying now. Well, just check it out. Now I'm gonna play Temple Run 2. It looks like it's been updated. I don't know. Earth Day. Yeah, I changed my second name to Booth, I don't know. Yes, let's skip tutorial, we already done. This is different. Well, this is pirate map, isn't it? This is something else. I didn't get any diamonds. Well, I'm over. I just carried this around the house. And there's one more in the background. And people screaming. So loud it is. impossible to talk. Well, it's so cool, this. So very cool. You know, I don't know. I've got a good idea for a video we're doing tomorrow, but it's gonna be awesome for you guys to rush it. So I'm itching. I very am, and thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching the video. I hate this phone.
Give him new clothes? Play with your friends. Break the